और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Menteri Jongka Sarkar Jala ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala penpau ya ka Sngewhun halor ka Jingtrei ya ka Yo Shyllong ha ka Shnong Laitumkhrah Shyllong. Kala kam bakila bandon katu kan ni ki Jingpenslam Henry ka ngait scam ba ka Sarkar ka Trei ha ka Linti ka Badai. Katkum ka Jingong Jongka ka Jingtei kan Shempor bat bakila bandon katu kan ni ki Jingpenlut.
As an MLA of the constituency, including all stakeholders involved in this, we are very satisfied. We need to ensure that whatever is done correctly, and constructions will take time. There are going to be overruns. We don't think that there is any delay as such, but we need to review from time to time relocation, readjustments. Second phase is going to come. Now this second phase will require for us to dismantle the current market where they are housed. We are satisfied. This afternoon itself I had a review with the officers. We are working on it. Where is the hurry? We have waited so many years, to my knowledge, not less than 40 years I think. 1976 that structure was built, if I'm not mistaken. We wait a couple more months, there's no harm. We're happy that we'll do a good job. We'll do the right thing. And to do the right thing sometimes causes some delays, which are okay. I don't think there's hue and cry. There are other matters which are more pressing for us, but don't want to discuss till I'm asked.